Guys, if you have Telegram, if you have Telegram and your Telegram is up to 8 to 10 years, congratulations. I'm just telling you, congratulations, you will make it this time around. If you have Telegram group now, Telegram channel, excuse me, and if you know that Telegram have stayed up to, let me say, from 4 years up, from 4 years, maybe is up to, let me say, from 4 years is matured, the Telegram now is 4 years or is more than, there is one big airdrop that is happening in cryptocurrency right now. I know you don't like crypto, but see this one, do not miss it. You see this particular one, don't miss it. I'm going to drop the link in this video. Just click this link, click this link. The link will take you to the Telegram group and try to open it. You say launch, a place they write